All right, so what's going on, everyone? Thanks for coming to another video. Today's going to be more on, I guess, the garage slash home side of things. So we're hosting a turkey trot in 1 week here in our neighborhood, and now we have a countdown clock for the race time. But I'm not going to have it out there all year long, and I don't usually wear my watch when I'm working on the car in the garage or working on other projects for obvious reasons. No need to potentially damage a nice watch. So that being said, I'm going to end up putting it right up there. Might have to move some of those storage items around, but for the other 364 days, I'm going to have this here in the garage as a clock for myself, so I can still check on what time it is and how much time I need to save for doing other things and making sure I'm on time. Let's go ahead and get to it. All right, so we've got it mounted up now. Now I just need to get some power to it. And it definitely looks like I need to get this off to be able to help fish the power cord up. So start moving stuff, with heavier stuff. Let's see what I'm doing. All right, so I'm gonna do this in 2 steps. I need to get power from this outlet up to the right side of the clock. So I'm gonna go ahead and send the fish tape up, and then I'm going to tie a piece of paracord to it, pull the paracord back down, and then use that paracord to pull the clock side of this plug back up. Otherwise, I'd have to try to push this up, and it's just not gonna work. Excuse the expression, but pushing rope doesn't work so well. All right, so now we got that end of things up there. I'm just gonna tie a little slip knot onto the paracord to help me attach to it. All right, sweet. Just barely had enough length on that that loop up there. I don't know if you can see it behind the self-retractable lifeline up there, but it almost pulled through. But I've still got a couple inches left, so a couple inches makes it work. That's what she said. Put the fish tape away before I forget. Back up we go. That should be the last steps. Should have been. Alright, so I'm not sure if I'm still in frame or not, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to leave this 550 cord up here. I'm going to do that so when it comes time to take this down and put it back up, following this bit of the turkey trot, well, it will already be here. So I'm just going to run it, if I can, through the back of the pegboard. Tie a small knot on it, just a figure 8. And dress it down. That way, this knot is going to prevent my leash from going anywhere that I don't want it to. I can just feed it behind the pegboard, kind of be out of the way. And then plug the clock in. All right, and there we have the clock running. So that's it. Recognize this very, very short, and honestly did not require a YouTube video to show how I DIY'd this up. It's literally put anchors in, put screws in anchors, put bracket on clock, plug in. But yeah, anyways, so now I can actually see what time it is while I'm working. And the remote that comes with it can also put it on timer. I'll show that in just a second. All right, so let's say that I know I need to leave and I need to stop working, get in the shower in 30 minutes. Just come over, hit 3, 0, enter. And then, all right, let's go ahead and start it. Perfect. Then let's say, just to simulate that this is actually happening, let's go another 2 seconds, sounds good. So yeah, cool. I've been working for 30 minutes and cool, gives me a little beep, time to go do something. Anyways, that's all I got for today. If you have any ideas of stuff that you want to see me do around my limited garage, let me know, see if I can do it. But either way, if you wouldn't mind, please give me a like or a subscribe, just so I can hopefully grow this channel just a little bit more and go from there. I don't ever want to be a million subs. I don't even want to be 10,000 subs. But 1,000 subs means I can monetize, and that means YouTube might buy me a bottle of bourbon at the end of every year. That's the goal. Body by Bourbon.